Hello everyone. Today we will have a quick tutorial on how to create a Node.js REST API using Express and TypeScript. In my last video, I showed you how to create a simple API with JavaScript alone. In this video we will dive more and look at project structure and use TypeScript with Node.js.
Let's open our terminal and create a new folder for the project. Once you have created the folder, navigate inside the project, and initiate a new project with npm. Alright, now we have initiated a new project. Let's go ahead and install the project dependencies. Install TypeScript and tslint packages as dev dependencies. Now, it is time to install the Express framework. Install Express and the types related to Express with these commands. Now we will set up TypeScript and configure linting for TypeScript. TypeScript uses a file called tsconfig, JSON to configure the compiler options for a project. Create a tsconfig, JSON file in the root of the project directory and paste in the following snippet. Module specifies the module code generation method. Nodejs uses commonjs. Target specifies the output language level. moduleResolution, this helps the compiler figure out what an import refers to. The value node mimics the node module resolution mechanism. outDir, this is the location to output JS. Now let's configure TypeScript linting for the project. After creating a file called tslint, JSON, place the these content as config. Now let's do some changes to our package JSON file. First let's change the main JavaScript file path. And now let's add the scripts to transpile and run our Nodejs app. Now we have configured the TypeScript successfully. Let's go and start creating our app. Create a folder called src at your root path. And add your app.ts file, which will be your main file. Now we will import Express and create our server app and start running it on port 3000. We can run our app using the run scripts defined earlier in our package.json file. Okay, looks cool. We have successfully set up our basic app. Now let's go ahead and add a service class, controller, and a REST main entry point to our app. I am going to create a service called user service and a controller for that called user controller, and also a main entry file called api.ts. I will add a simple method called getUsers to return a list of users inside the user service class. Alright, now let's add some code to our user controller to handle HTTP GET requests, and return the user list from our user's service. Okay, now we have our user controller ready. Let's add some code into our API entry file. First of all, let's import our user controller into API entry file. And then add a route to handle all user-related HTTP requests by our user controller. Alright, we have our API file ready, and some code to handle all users-related requests handled by user controller. As our last step, let's import the main API router to our mainapp.ts file. And let us make our API router to handle all requests coming via API/v1 path. Everything looks fine. Now let's go ahead and run our application, and try to access our user's API via Postman. That's all guys, thanks for watching.